Hi, this is Theodore of Doors Door Designs, back again making another bow. I'm starting this one with 8-inch tails, using a 2.5-inch yellow with black and white stripe. There's one loop on each side of the bow. The second layer is lemons, stripes, and polka dots. And there are 2 loops on each side, also with 8-inch tails. The second layer is maybe about 5 inches long. The loops are, sorry. So the third layer is a yellow, black, and white plaid. And I'm only doing 1 loop on each side of the bow at about 5.5 inches. The final row is only a center loop with yellow with black polka dots. This is basically to cover up any mechanics. I'm using a zip tie to cinch it closed, and then I'm going to add a pipe cleaner so that it can be attached to a wreath or a mailbox swag or anything that you might want to add it to. In my case, I'll probably add it to a wreath. But for now, I'm just fluffing, which if you've watched my other videos, you know that's one of my favorite things to do. Now I'm dovetailing it where you fold the ends of your tails in half and then cut at a 90-degree angle away from the fold. So we're almost done. Fluff, fluff, fluff. There we go. I hope you enjoyed watching this one.